Ever wondered if there's a way to lose belly fat in just 14 days? Well, it might surprise you to know that it's not only possible, but also achievable with the right approach and discipline. Today, we'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide to help you on this journey. First up, it's essential to understand that the key to losing belly fat isn't about doing hundreds of crunches or starving yourself. It's about a balanced diet and regular exercise. A well-balanced diet is one that includes a variety of foods from all the food groups: fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. And no, it's not necessary to cut out all your favorite foods. The goal is to make healthier choices more often. Next, it's time to get moving. Regular exercise, especially cardio and strength training, can help burn calories and build muscle, which are both key to losing belly fat. A good starting point is 30 minutes of moderate intensity activity most days of the week. This can be anything from brisk walking to swimming, cycling, or even dancing. Now, it's important to note that spot reduction, or losing fat from a specific area of the body, isn't possible. When you lose weight, you lose it all over your body, not just your belly, but don't let that discourage you. Losing weight everywhere helps reduce belly fat too. Another crucial factor in losing belly fat is getting enough sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain, including belly fat. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Lastly, stress management plays a significant role in weight loss. High stress levels can lead to weight gain, especially in the belly area. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or even a simple walk in nature. So, to summarize, to lose belly fat in 14 days, maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, get enough sleep, and manage stress levels. Remember, it's not about quick fixes or fad diets. It's about making long-term lifestyle changes that lead to a healthier, happier you. And that's a goal worth striving for, wouldn't you agree?